Welcome to my famous YouTube channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on face recognition, such as face recognition using TK-inter library. We have seen lot of videos on face recognition attendance system using TK-inter library. We have seen lot of videos on face recognition using Streamlit, attendance system using Streamlit. Then we have seen lot of videos on face recognition using OpenCV. That part was really easy, but today the things are different. Today I will be showing you face recognition using Facenet on TensorFlow. So that it took lot of efforts to do this video. So we will go through the program. First of all, we will train the model. So this is part of training the model. NumPy, I use empty CNN library and faces directory in which my image is there. Now I will train the model. Now model will be trained. Please be patient. Yes. Okay, fine. Model has been trained. Now we will go through detect face. This is here we have used train TV and we have trained the model. Now we will recognize the face. Please be patient. It will take some time, but it is not like just easier like OpenCV. Yes. Yes, my face is detected. It will be recognized. Yes. Yes, it is recognized. Yes, now I will remove the hands. Yes. Now my recognition will be gone. Yes. Now again I will remove the hands and see what happens. Again I will be recognized. Again I will be recognized. Yes. So I successfully done with face recognition using Facenet on TensorFlow. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative and interesting videos on natural language processing, machine learning, TensorFlow, Facenet, if possible, then Streamlit, many creative videos and more interesting videos on age and gender, fruits and vegetable classification, CNN, TensorFlow, Keras. So keep watching if you want to go through machine learning seriously, so keep watching my videos on youtube channel.com Sanjay Mahajan YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.